Guys, now we are going to talk about this Pastebin website. Generally, this Pastebin website is used for hosting small amount of code so that you can speedily copy paste into that Pastebin, and you can copy that URL into some Facebook groups or any other Discord groups to ask any doubts. It will be like fastest way to copy paste and host your code so that other can view and see what's going on. So that's best. Pastebin has been really very famous for it, and also it's doing very good job. But what we can do is we can also host some username and the passwords, right? Maybe someone may be using, and we can search for those username and the passwords in the Pastebin. So let me type this. I'm using this site parameter, and I will say pastebin.com. Alright, now I need to select the tractors, right? Alright, now we have got this pastebin.com results. Now what I can type is password. Let me see if I okay, password logs. Alright, these are some websites and the name, username and the password. So you can check out these login credentials. Pretty much you will get, you know how to search for username and the password, right? You can easily search using this site parameter. And what I can do is I can type Netflix to get any Netflix accounts. Okay, as you can see, oh, this is not any username and the password. Alright, now let me type. So you can pretty much make sure that Netflix accounts, or you can also type origin. So this origin is the EA game client. You can just install the games from the origin, and let me open this. As you can see, account credentials are username and the password, and the games that account contains are these one: Dead Space, Battlefield, Titanfall, etc. So as you can see, pretty much with simple Google search, we got the accounts of so many origin accounts. So sorry, details of so many origin accounts. Honestly, I will tell you the truth. These accounts are like uh, two accounts work for every five accounts. So if you keep trying this username and the password, at least two accounts in the 5 or 10 accounts will work guarantee. I am pretty much sure because I have used this for Battlefield 1, but I did not use much time because my laptop cannot handle the Battlefield 1. That's why I installed. But I am pretty sure that these accounts will work. If you found the Netflix or any other thing, maybe those things can also work. But I'm pretty damn sure that these origin accounts will work. You can just try for 10 or 20. If anyone did not correctly logged in you, then you can just leave it. So trying is not very much. We can also try, right? There is no loss in trying. So you can see 1 or 3 origin hits. So these accounts are all from spammed accounts. It's better to buy the games to support the developers, but in case if you are poor like me, you can just grab these accounts like this. Okay, let me type the site pastebin.com in URL. You can also mix these queries in URL Netflix. Can type Netflix accounts. Okay, it did not match anything. Okay. So as you can see, there are some accounts with the email and the password, but maybe they may not work because so many members will search like this, and they will change the password. So that's why don't rely on these maximum better to buy a Netflix account or a game from the origin. But in sometimes we get lucky, and if any account is successful, then we can just enjoy this Netflix, right? So we can also find the passwords of uh, others other accounts are like the log files. So this is the advantage of this pastebin.com. uh, so that's all about this pastebin.com website. This pastebin website is used for hosting some small piece of codes. At the same time, this pastebin.com is also used for hosting some important credentials. That's why you can also search this pastebin.com website for any sensitive stuff.